Let's take a look at the way that you fix Snapchat login session expired. Now this issue mainly happens due to a few reasons such as security measures or repeated failed attempts or while using a VPN. If you're doing something along these lines, so for example, if you're using a VPN, you must first of all disable it and try to log in again to your Snapchat account. But however, if that is not the issue with you, the first thing that you can do in this case is try to look for new app updates available. So just head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on this update button. So also make sure to ensure that you have a stable connection, or you can also try switching between different networks. What you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device and then again re-download it. If you had made multiple attempts to log in, make sure you wait out a couple of hours before you try to do it again. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat login session expired. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.